Hi guys, it's Corinne. Thanks so much for stopping by my channel. I just got home from work, got some really great news today, so I thought I would pop in and share that with you all. I normally don't do front-facing videos, so if you'll just bear with me through this video, I really do appreciate it. Just to let you know what happened back in early January. Right now it's almost the end of March, rather. And back in early January, I received an email from Google stating that something was wrong with my account. I clicked on the link. Don't ever do that. I know better than doing that. Between business and personal, I have several email accounts and I receive scam emails every single day, phishing emails every single day. I know better. I never click on them. I usually don't even open the email. I just delete them. But it had been a long day that day. It was 3 in the morning. I had been working on a computer issue off and on all day, like 12 hours that day. And the email came through. As soon as it came through, I clicked on it without even thinking. I let my guard down for 1 second. And as soon as I did that, I realized it was probably a scam. So I hurried up. I went to my Google account, changed my password, and it was already too late at that point. They had already taken over my account. I was able to still log on. It was a little weird. I was able to log on, but all my videos I couldn't access the channel like I normally could. And within about 2 days, they put over 1,000 Judge Judy videos on my account. So frustrating. So I did reach out to the YouTube help community. They walked me through the entire process, told me to just keep being patient, which was hard to do, but I did. And I followed all their instructions. And like I said, I just found out today that I got my channel back. So I wanted to reach out and say thank you to all of those that reached out to me when my channel did look like something was wrong. I had quite a few people reach out on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, even my Etsy account. I have people reaching out asking if I was okay, letting me know there was a problem. And quite a few of you even asked what you could do to help get my channel back. So thank you for taking the time out to do that. I so appreciate that. It really means a lot to me. And I'm so grateful for all the friends that I've made throughout this community. We have a great community here that's very supportive of each other, the craft community. So welcome to all my new subscribers as well. I'm excited to have you with me. Through the process, I did still film a few videos, so I'll be sure to upload those here soon. And also my friend Lolly sent me a video where it shows how you can secure your YouTube account a little bit better. I wish I would have done that. I don't know if it necessarily would have saved my account because I clicked on that link. So just don't click on any links. Don't fall for it. Don't be vulnerable. But check out that video. I'll put that down in the description box. That may help somebody secure their account a little bit better, and maybe this won't happen to you. So thanks for standing by me, and I will see you soon.